In this video, I will show you how to back up Samsung Mobile. First, you need to download the Samsung Smart Switch software. Once the software has finished downloading, install it. Now connect your mobile to a computer with a good USB cable. Now the mobile is being connected to the computer. This is my new Samsung F22 device. To back up your mobile, click on the backup button. From here, you can decide which items to back up and which not to back up. I don't need to back up my videos. Now the data of your mobile is being backed up. You have to wait a few minutes. Now the mobile backup is complete. You can give a name to the backup file if you wish. These are the backup files of your mobile.